Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get access to blog websites. So let's start. So if you are looking for a website that is need for VPN, like for example Hulu it's a USA platform where you have to be there to use it. However, if you don't live there and you want to watch everything here, the series, the movies, etc., you have to use a VPN. So that is the reason of this video that I recommend you to use a NordVPN. You can unlock shows from anywhere safely, and with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. So if you want to use the NordVPN, it's very easy. First, you have to log in here, and when you log in, you have to write your email address and your password, then log in. When you log in, you will find the principal page. Now you have to go to the left side and you will find here the NordVPN. Now just scroll down and you will see the manual setup. Just set up the NordVPN manually and you will find here the countries. In this case it's Mexico, but you can select any country. There is Japan, there is Senegal, South Africa, United Kingdom, and there is United States. As you can see, you can connect to United States VPN. So the only thing that you have to do is click on the link and get a discount and get the VPN. Now you can watch with this VPN any website from anywhere, completely free. You can start watching shows, you can start watching everything that you prefer. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us link in the link description to get the NordVPN. Thank you for watching this video.